You had it figured out, now you need a new start.
It's feeling big. There's Molly and Buddy. Her sister. Morning there. It's another day. It's Wednesday. And Buddy came to say hi. He's always coming out here and disrupting the work. Aren't you, Buddy? Alrighty, today we're continuing on more with the roof. And hopefully we can start some siding today. That's the plan and that's the hope, because I'm ready to be done with the roof. It'll be good. It's gonna be a good day. Thank you for coming, stopping by. Make sure you subscribe. Watch the playlist of all the videos of me building this home addition. Hi. I'll let you in. One sec. Let's get into the day. Alright, the in-laws are here, so I'm gonna do a little bit more work and go get lunch and hang out for a sec. But I am tightening up the overhangs right now, just nailing in a bunch of crap, and yeah, just tightening it up. So let's get it, and then let's get in, so I'm starving already. Well, that didn't last too long. I was trying to shoot the nails, and it wasn't working, and it sounded kind of low, but I was like, what the heck? And I realized I turned the air compressor off. So when you start making stupid mistakes like that, I just said, hey, let's take a break so I don't hurt myself. That's what we're gonna do. We're gonna take a break, so I'll see you in a second. Sunshine. Sunshine. What's up, Cookie? Alright, it's the afternoon. Done. Hang with the in-laws for a few. Also took a quick nap. Ate lunch. Worked on some Happy Jesus stuff. And voila. I left my shorts out to dry because they're super wet and they're so crispy. Looked like they've just been starched or something. I'm gonna figure out how to get some plywood up there, which is exciting. Oh, and make sure you subscribe. Hit the like button. Follow. Share. And buy my product. This hat says Jesus is a builder, because Jesus, not Mexican Jesus, but you know, Jesus of the Bible, was a carpenter and was built stuff, and you know, he died and resurrected, and you know, he's still a builder building his church. You know, if I have to explain it to you, it's not funny. But I thought that was cool. You got the design inspiration from God as a designer. Shout out to them. That's a cool company, and not copyright though, so don't sue me. Alrighty, back into the thing. Comments. How do I get a plywood up into the roof? I'm not sure. So I got the plywood with the shiny stuff on the bottom for the sun, the attic, to reflect. But how do I get this up top? All right, my idea here is to start on this side of the roof. So I might just put the board here and then pull it up by sheer manly force. Let's try. We got our first piece up. Look at that. Not the easiest to do it that way, but it worked. Almost slipped a couple times. Will. Just gotta make sure to plug in the... I got sunshine. I got sunshine. I got sunshine. I gotta let you know. It's so incredible. Alright, I feel like that was just as hard, but definitely safer. So, alrighty, kids, we got 5 boards up there. I really think I just need a fresh morning to get the rest of them up there, or at least get the rest of half of them up there. They're just tiring. So I'm gonna try to get a couple of the side sheathings up, and I think this is gonna be difficult as well, but hopefully not as difficult as lifting them on the roof. So we'll see how this goes. Hoping for the best. Okay, I ran into a little snafu. I had 2 nails in there, but I was wondering if I should do horizontal or vertical. My structural plan don't say specifically, they do say specifically for the roof. Of course, you're gonna do perpendicular sheathing to the joist. That's cool, that's what I'm doing. But the walls, internet seems to say, do whatever the plans say, or do whatever you want, as long as they're lined up on studs. So, I'm not too sure what is best here. Let me know in the comments. Vertical, horizontal.
I can't help but feel good. I can't help but feel fine. Everything is in its place and all of it is mine.
Alright, protein shake time. Your boy's tired and sore. Because that's what I get for working out and working out. Very yummy. I've been like craving cold stuff because it's so hot out there. By the way, if you don't know, I'm in Texas in the summer heat. I'm building this thing. There's actually 2 other houses going up beside me too. I haven't checked the one out down there down the street, but the one in the front of the neighborhood. And they have they started like a week after me on the foundation, and they already have all the siding up and done. And I just started the sheathing, and it's like a full house compared to my 1 room. So, you know, falling behind. But yeah, summer heat, building houses, getting money, losing money, hopefully gaining it back, you know, in a year. That's the goal, that's the plan. So, bye.
I'm me and nobody else. Ooh, I can't help but smile.
I just saw RR Buildings do this trick. Literally 30 minutes ago, I looked up how to do this. There's a nail here, put a nail in, put a nail in there, set the sheathing on top, so then it gives you a expansion gap, and you take out the nail. Easy as that. Alright, now I gotta cut out the windows here. Never done this before, but I have a blade, I have a reciprocating saw, but I have one of the other ones. Reciprocating saw might be the easiest to do here. I'm a dum-dum. Okay, that was a little bit more complicated than I think I made it. I've seen people use routers for doing this. I use a mixture of tools, and look at the result. Pretty half-assed. It's flat, but it's a little bit curved. There. Just need that's close to perfect. Cut a little bit too deep here. Cut a little bit too deep here. Looks pretty unprofessional. Pretty awful. But I think it's good because the windows will sit on that. Yeah, as long as it's waterproofed correctly, then I should be okay. Oh, one thing my wife said, no more walking through the side over here, which is pretty tragic. Hey, I'm Dave. Hey, I'm Dave. I've been watching Little Dicky on Netflix. I mean on Hulu. Go check it out. Pretty good. A little bit too sexual sometimes. One episode was like terrible, but the rest super funny. This is not a plug. Maybe it is. Alrighty, I'm back. I have a genius idea. You ready for it? Alright, so I drilled 3 screws into the plywood from the other side. One here, you can see from that side. One up there, in that corner. One in that corner. And so these are all lined out here. This is the other side. 1, 2, 3. From inside I could cut it out, but I have to do it on the outside. So I'm gonna draw a line from here to here to there. I got myself a ladder, yeah. That worked pretty damn well. Let's go. Alright, baby cakes. I got a lot of this wall done. Just need to do the top row. So I'll go all the way across and then this end piece right here. But I need to fix something in the corner here. And I wrote a big sign. To do. Fix this, to do. We will continue on with the roof tomorrow and the siding tomorrow, and it will be a good day. So I thank you all for watching. Thank you for stopping by, and make sure you subscribe. And I am Chris, and this is the Home Edition. I will see you later, and I will see you out there. Okay, see you later.